Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. Today, the 24th May, is the solemnity of Mary Help of Christian Universal Salesian Feast. We from the Don Bosco Media Network wish all our viewers, especially the Salesian and Salesian family members, a very happy feast day. Don Bosco Relief Services DBRS Surabi of the Salesian province of Chennai has stepped into the lives of the poor to alleviate the struggles against the pandemic and the subsequent poverty. DBRS has supported the needy with a ration kit comprising rice, pulses, oil, rava, spices, bathing and washing soaps, vitamin C and zinc tablets, 500 grams of health mix and a thermometer. The beneficiaries are 500 beach vendors in Chennai, 27 transgenders, 43 senior citizens in Washammanpet, 23 physical challenged, and 7 domestic workers with the help of Don Bosco Vasikati Perambur. The second wave of the pandemic, spreading more rapidly than the first, has left them vulnerable to pay a high price. With the state registering more than 30,000 cases on a single day, the demand for care centers is on the increase. DBRS addressed the issue by setting up a COVID-19 care center for the rural village households in Arakonam block, Ranipet district. The girls' hostel at Don Bosco Agriculture College, Sagaya Thotham, accommodates 80 patients with mild symptoms of COVID-19. The Salesians in Kolkata, to counter the force of the second wave of the pandemic, have initiated free diagnosis with medication for the symptomatic, poor and needy, RT-PCR tests, quarantine facilities, online free service by nearly 100 counsellors, weekly live adoration to pray for India and daily online mass. Father Jijo John, the province economer with the help of Father Nirmal Topo and Father Gilbert Chundal, have initiated at Nitika Don Bosco a free medical checkup and free medication for the poor and needy. The province has launched a free COVID-19 consultation and medication facility for the needy and the same venue. The service also includes a facility with helpline numbers, consultation, medication, diagnosis with a blood test, and RT-PCR tests, nutrition and home delivery arrangements with no cost. The service started on May 18th and is available throughout the day. Sonada, a group of 10 non-government organizations, NGOs, in the hills have come together to fight against COVID-19 with a 15-week well-being campaign. Their slogans include, "Bring back the smiles and we build each other." Using the hashtags, #Bring Back the Smiles, #We Build Each Other, the well-being campaign provides information and support in these trying times, said Adarsh Rai, founder of Encompass and team member of Hayden Hall, Darjeeling. We plan to do it from top-down directives to modeling everyday safety standards, from negativity to positive action language, from fear and doom to healing, well-being, hope and growth, said psychologist Susan Suba of Hardworks. Art Mile Kalimpong director Virgil Sequira said, "The multi-platform digital media campaign provides simple life coping strategies that can also impact the community beyond the scope of the pandemic." Besides the unstinting service of India's medical professional warriors, works of friends, family and colleagues mobilized to share resources and combat misinformation have contributed to mitigating the situation. Social media and messaging apps also have facilitated this process, allowing relative strangers to lend a hand. Following this cue, the social media groups and networks established by the Alumni Association of Don Bosco School, Alaknanda, proved invaluable to its members and others. Numbers and facts, students be encouraged to develop critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and creativity with a scientific and entrepreneurial attitude, said Dr. George Panicker, alumnus of Don Bosco School Park Circus, Kolkata, and founder of International STEAM Research Private Limited. The best way schools can help students become future-proof or future-ready is by helping them think by indulging in experiential learning with a hands-on methodology and sharpening their metacognitive skills, says Dr. Panikar. Panikar said, the proven methodology to implement experiential learning is through integrated STEAM, science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics programs. The Feast of Mary Help of Christians came another year to enjoy the entire Salesian family that celebrated one of its most important festivals, recovering the presence that was so necessary 12 months ago. The 9th of Mary Help of Christians from 15 to 23rd May allowed the doors of parishes and Salesian communities to be opened to participate in the manifestations of the devotion of the faithful to Our Lady, following the security and hygiene measures stipulated. The traditional festival in schools, held in some cases since last Friday 21st, was loaded with initiatives such as games, performances, sports or crafts to share the festive spirit of these days. In some cases, the celebrations of Mass were broadcast in honor of Maria Auxiliadora via YouTube. Youth centers also encouraged children, adolescents and young people to participate in these days' celebratory activities. And social platforms continued their work by referencing Mary Help of Christians. In the prayer of Regina Coeli, the Pope, recalling the feast of #Maria Auxiliadora, he has invited us to pray for the Salesian family who work so much in the church for the marginalized, for the young. On the afternoon of Monday 24th from 6:30, the Rector Major of the Salesians, Angel Fernandez Artime, will accompany the Archbishop of Turin in the celebration of a solemn Eucharist in the Basilica of Mary Help of Christians, with which the events of this day will be closed. The municipal plenary of Pozo Blanco approved in January 2020 that a street in the municipality would bear the name of Father Cesar Fernandez. The mayor of Pozo Blanco, Santiago Cabello, began administrative procedures through a mayoral decree several months ago for this recognition to be a reality in memory of the Salesian missionary killed in a jihadist attack on February 15th on the southern border of Burkina Faso in Africa. On the afternoon of May 23, 2021, coinciding with the eve of the feast of Maria Auxiliadora, this tribute was made a reality in the town in an event that had the intervention of Manuel de Rosal, Director of the Salesian Presence, Miguel Canino, Coordinator of Schools, and the representative of the Council of the Salesian Inspectorate Maria Auxiliadora, in addition to relatives of Cesar, highlighted the work of this priest with a life always dedicated to the most disadvantaged without expect nothing in return. It is an example for all Pozalbenses to their memory must remain forever in our locality and in our memory, he shared. Marie Do Musical Challenge, 7 new songs to talk about Saint Marie Dominique Mazzarello. It was about composing a song on Saint Marie Dominique Mazzarello, co-founder of the Salesian Sisters with Don Bosco, or on the Salesian Charisma with Feminine. There was a single French song in honor of Marie Dominique, and it seemed important to make her better known in music as we celebrate in 2022 the 150th anniversary of the foundation of the Institute of Daughters of Marie Auxiliatrice. Here are the lucky winners who will see their composition reorchestrated by musicians Hugo Desure and Joseph Magdalene of the Holy Band. With the name Salesiano is the Marca, the Inspectorate Our Lady of Copacabana is promoting the marketing of some of the products that some Salesian works from Bolivia are generating the fruit of their activities. Marketing of meat products, sugar and honey is currently underway in the areas of Cami, Cochabamba and Montero, Santa Cruz, where Salesian presence is active. We have seen the need to spread progressively the fruit of the work carried out in our works, offering to sell some good quality products and affordable prices. For this, we are using our social networks under the name Salesiano is the brand. Express Vicar Inspectorial P. Alvaro Rocabado. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.